Okay, there's the 13th of June 2021. Here's Palokuja, 3 Stekisippi here in Kerava, part of Helsinki, has a constellation in Uusimaa, Finland. This one has 4 floors, and it's a Schindler elevator. Lower one, there are also the residential buildings which have 8 or 9 floors, 8 floors.
Yeah.
And also Schindler elevators. This also has quite a good interior.
Yeah.
Wooden walls. And this was built in 2002. Mass is 8% of 603 grams. The serial number is 1594 SHB, and it's turning 20 years old in next year, 2022.
Yeah.
And it will be inspected in 2023. What is the tallest floors for?
Third floor.
Third.
Yeah.
But one is like.
Yeah.
The main one.
Yeah. It's the. No.
It's third.
It's 0. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
A bit confusing.
Yeah.
But why did they have to put it like this, not on 0? Because it's like this button should be 0. This one.
Yeah.
The braille code should be on 0.
Yeah.
I don't know why it's on 1.
Yeah.
Because it's not the main floor.
Yeah.
Yeah, the second one. We have also filmed one of the taller ones, and it has even nicer interior.
Yeah.
And there's beautiful mirrors on the by the panel.
Yeah.
And special patterns on the walls.
Yeah.
Like a bit like brass or something.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva, maintained by Schindler.
But I think there's 3 more 8 floors high Schindler's marks probably.
Yeah.
But we don't have to go to all of them.
Alright.
There's not enough time.
Yeah. How much you say?
I don't know. I think it was 3 or something.
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Or was it? I mean, 4 in total, but 3
Yeah.
others.
Yeah. It might be. Yeah.
But we are not sure about one which was finished in 2004 because the doors look very different.
Yeah.
So maybe it could be KSS also.
Yeah.
Or maybe Otis.
Yeah.
Otis had too. Maybe with the 90s.
Yeah.
We don't know.
That's
it.